So some more raw video here of the canyon. I'm going to just kind of walk you through a little bit of this. And I'm going to show you the scenes of the people. Sometimes you'll see people kind of getting right up to the edge to take a picture, which is kind of crazy, but so I don't know if you caught that, but people standing, and you can see across there, people standing right up on the edge because they're oblivious to the danger. They have a book they sell here that kind of outlines all the deaths that occur here every year, and it's because people treat this like Disney. It's a wilderness area, and you can see the drop off there is pretty substantial. One false move, you know, and it happens every year. Okay, that's about it, guys. Take care. We'll see you.